I'm going to pretend I'm a food truck owner and I'm making 100 chicken legs for my friends and family. I'm going to start with a simple seasoning of salt and pepper. Then I'm going to let the chicken brine and fire up my Napoleon grill. And this is the only grill that's going to fit all of these chicken legs. Of course, I'm adding some smoke wood and I'm going to create the perfect sauce. First, I'm going to grind down all of the spices, and you're going to need loads of spices for this recipe. But let me tell you, it's worth it because you end up with garam masala that you made yourself, and we're turning it into a beautiful curry paste, of which we're going to make the best curry sauce you've ever seen. And of course, I'm dumping my chicken in the curry sauce. Yes, I know you need the recipe, but the only way to get it is to go to PitmasterX.com.
All right, Morsen, send in the crowds.
What crowd?
The people that you invited to join us for dinner.
I didn't invite anything.
You're gonna eat 50 of these, Morsen?